Let's fix the TikTok direct message option if it's not showing. Now, if you're on TikTok and you want to message certain people, you want to go to their profile and send them messages, but it's not working. There are a few different reasons why, and I'll walk you through how to get those fixed. So let's hop into TikTok here. And you can see on here, I could just go to this person's profile by swiping to the left, and I can send that little message with the airplane icon. I can send them a message. It says you can send up to 3 messages until this user accepts a message request. Basically, they don't follow me, so I can send them a few messages, but I cannot ultimately message them more than 3 times. So keep in mind there are some features where users have turned this off, or if the other user is under 16, you will not be able to send them any messages. That's default turned off on TikTok across all users that are under 16. But let's go back and let's fix it on your profile if it's still not working. So let's tap on profile at the bottom right, and then the 3 lines at the top right. Now let's get into settings and privacy. And all we have to do is scroll to the very bottom and you can see report a problem and tap on that. Now on here, let's scroll down again and you can see direct message midway down. Let's tap on that. And let's choose direct messaging is no longer available. So to keep in mind at the very top, it says here only users 16 and over will be able to send and receive direct messages. So keep in mind, if you are under 16, you will not have that feature enabled until you turn 16. Or if you entered in the wrong birthday, basically when you signed up for TikTok, some people randomly choose a random birthday. And if you chose one that makes you under 16, you will not be able to send direct messages. But if this does not apply to you, it says, is your problem resolved? Hit no here, and then need more help. And basically you can tell them what the issue is. I recommend on here, it's really helpful to just take a photo of a driver's license, something that shows your birthday, showing that you are over the age of 16. So they'll look at that and then they'll enable that direct messaging feature on your TikTok account. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.